Do I need to smile? Okay, let's go. So, in video production, prop sourcing is a big part of our job. Prop house, online, and then you start making calls. Suppliers, fabricators, whoever might know someone. But if you need something really special or unique, the whole process breaks down. Recently, a director asks me for a Philips PCR30, 1987 original. It actually had to power on and display graphics on screen. We rang every prop house out there. Nothing. So our only option was to build this thing from scratch. Accio work lets the entire workflow run autonomously behind the scenes. I typed out what we needed, the reference model, what it had to do on screen, and it came back with a full tech pack. It pulled a shortlist: manufacturers, lead times, who'd done replica electronics before, and then it asked if I wanted it to handle the negotiation. Next morning, there was a price in my inbox. I mean, I'm not 100% sure if this is like the textbook way to work, but honestly, dumping everything on AI agents feels brilliant. Right now, the whole team is basically living on Accio work. We're using it for everything. At least my teams can finally breathe again, you know?